The Inkmaker industrial systems automatically dispense inks for offset and UV printing. This type of ink presents a high viscosity and is traditionally collected and dosed with spatulas. Ink is stocked in drums with a capacity of 25 or 200 kilograms. The Inkmaker dispensing system employs pressing plate pumps. The pumps are equipped with a follower plate equipped with seals which perfectly fits onto the internal surface of the drums. Ink drums are replaced by means of a pneumatic lifting device which lifts the pump. Pumping action combines the effect of the piston and of the plate which presses on the surface of the product. The structural part of the machine essentially consists of pipes and pumps and is developed by our engineering department according to our customer specifications. The pump models are selected according to the features of the ink and the production rates required. The ink is fed to the dispensing heads through steel or EPDM pipes made to stand the maximum operating pressure. Naturally, pumps, lines, and valves are color specific. All the valves are fitted on a swinging head which allows sequential dispensing in an extremely circumscribed point. Batch production starts by selecting the formula on the computer with the Inkmaker software which controls the system. The ink is poured directly into a container which is placed on high accuracy electronic scales. The software considers the amount of ink which was actually poured into the container to make the recipe according to the required proportions. The Inkmaker patent-pending valves are equipped with 2 different sized openings and 3 delivery capacities, controlled by the software, and an air blade device to cut off the flow to ensure both dispensing accuracy and speed. The batches are ready in a few minutes. Accuracy can be within 1/10 of a gram. The container can either be taken by hand or moved along an automatic conveyor line. The ideal solution is that of a line consisting of various stations along which the containers move and return to the starting point after being cleaned. Containers are then ready for a new batch. The cycle starts with automatic dispensing. A container is placed on the scales and is ready to be filled. The batch is produced automatically as soon as the operator starts the automatic dispensing function. The valves corresponding to the colors required for the batch are positioned sequentially in the single dispensing point. This offers the advantage of using any sized containers. The valve opening, and consequently batch accuracy, is monitored constantly by the computerized control system. In the following station, the container is stopped at an automatic mixer. Mixing time and speed is programmed according to the type of formula. After mixing, the impeller is automatically washed. After the quality audit, the ink is transferred by means of a press-out unit into smaller sized containers. The empty container is then sent to the washing unit where it is made ready for the next batch. Inkmaker offers 2 types of dispensing systems according to the total number of components. The IDA system features a swinging dispensing head which houses the valves. The head moves while the pneumatic actuator stays stationary in the center. Our co-dispensing heads, on the other hand, features 14 fixed valves on a dial and a pneumatic actuator which moves around and intercepts the valves, opening and closing them. This is the most compact solution, ideal for low production rate in-plant systems, and offers the same configuration flexibility as the larger Inkmaker systems. Both systems ensure operative functionality with basically no maintenance. The features of the Arco system are 14 fixed dispensing valves, 1 valve for liquid additives, 60 kb scales with an accuracy of 1 gram or 1/10 of a gram if required, minimum dispensing diameter 18 centimeters or smaller with special optional equipment, controlling software complete with all standard functions, PC housed in the stainless steel bench. The features of the IDA system are possibility of expanding the system to an overall maximum of 32 offset valves plus 32 liquid valves, connection to up to 3 high-accuracy electronic scales chosen on the basis of production requirements. Accuracy can be increased to 1/10 of a gram. Possibility of integrating the system in a multiple station line for mixing and the subsequent production stages. Paste dispensing on a single central point so as to use the same head to make small samples or big batches. Controlling software complete with all standard functions. PC housed in a dedicated panel. The panel location is independent from the position of the dispensing system. Inkmaker dispensing systems are modern instruments which allow to produce only the required amount of ink, reproduce ink type at will with absolute consistency, drastically cut down technical time required to make a color, dispense directly in the final container, increase cleanliness and safety at the plant, cut down the ink stocks to the minimum, have an endless range of colors available in any moment, and cut back the problem of empty, dirty containers.